Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. 10th Max Day 1. This year's much awaited study plan that we are going to give for first is choose the best answer. 125 questions we are going to see this one in this video now. So before that I would like to inform you that all datas are available in my description, like social science datas are there, and science public question paper details are there, and also the max which is going to release now, all will be in the description. So you may please go through all these things and get benefit of that and score a very good marks, my dear children. So the day one which is now started with choose the best answer. Let us see the all datas in the video now. Muerchi plus Paichi, which is equal to Vetri. I always say that unless you have Muerchi and Paichi, you will not be able to get a Vetri. So, Muerchi Vetri இருந்தால் you will be able to get a Vetri, my dear children. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வையும் எழுத வேண்டும். Make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. So, you are going to write a public examination. So, your journey has started for your career development. So, please make note of that and do the needful. Let us go to the video now. Chapter 1 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரிலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸில் மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷினில் இருக்கிற இதை நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். The first question, if n of a cross b is equal to a is equal to 1 comma 3, which means n of b is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்று பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் 3 மொத்தம் 3 வேல்யூ இருக்கிறதுனால அதுக்கு வந்து 3. Next one, a is equal to a comma b comma p, b is equal to 2 comma 3, c is equal to p q r s. Then n of a union b union c into b is second one, that is 12 is the correct answer. Then a is equal to 1 comma 2, b is equal to 1 2 3 4, and c is equal to 5 comma 6, and d is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Then state which is the following is true. This is the value is true, that is a cross b complement of b cross d. Then if there are 1024 relations from a set, a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 to a set b, then the number of elements in b is the one which is 2 is the correct answer. The range of the relation r is equal to x comma x square. X is a prime number less than 13 அப்படின்னு வந்ததுன்னா அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 comma 25 comma 49 comma 21. Then goes to next one. If the ordered pairs a plus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 2 a plus b are equal, then a comma b அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா that answer is 3 comma minus 2. Then let n of a is equal to m and n of b is equal to n. Then the total number of non-empty relations that can be defined from a to b is அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதோட வேல்யூ 2 power m minus 1. Let us go to the 8th question now. If a comma 8 6 comma b represents an identity function, then the value of a and b are respectively. அது வந்து 8 comma 6 is the correct answer. 8 comma 6. That a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and b is equal to 4 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. A function f is a tends to be given by f is equal to 1 comma 4 2 comma 8 3 comma 9 and 4 comma 10 is one which is 1 to 1 function, that is third option, that is C option. 1 to 1 function. F of x is equal to 2x square and g of x is equal to 1 by 3x. Then f of g is equal to 2 by 9x square. Next, if a tends to b is a bijective function and n of b is equal to 7, then n of a is equal to 7, total 7. Then let f of f and g be the two functions given by, and f is equal to 0 comma 1 2 comma 1 3 comma minus 4 and 4 comma 2 5 comma 7. G is equal to 0 comma 2 1 comma 0 2 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 2 and 7 comma 0. Then the range of f of g is the answer is 0 comma 1 comma 2. Then let f of x is equal to root of 1 plus x square. Then one is f of xy is equal to f of x, f of y, and two, f of xy is greater than or equal to f of x, f of y, and the third is f of xy less than or equal to f of x, f of y. So which means this is the answer, f of x of y less than or equal to f of x into f of y. And then goes to the if g is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, and 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7 is a function given by g of x is equal to alpha x plus beta, then the value of alpha and beta is the second one 2 comma minus 1. Then f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube represents a function which is a quadratic. So this I hope in the video உங்களுக்கு first chapter உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். All study plan videos are there in the description link for all the subjects. Like what we have done earlier is science and social science. So if you want to go through that, you can go through that in description. It is there. You can get a benefit of that. And now maths study plan has started. The first one is we are going ahead with this plan. So let us go to the next one. Euclid's division lemma states that for positive integer a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r. So இதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்து 0 to less than or equal to r less than b. Using Euclid's division lemma, if the cube of any positive integer is divided by 9, then the possible remainders are, so that the possible remainders are வந்து 0 comma 1 comma 8. If the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117, then the value of m is 200 value தான் வரும். Next, the sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 1729 is answer on the 3. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10 both inclusive is 520. Then 7 power 4k is equal to mod 100 அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்கன்னா the first one will be the answer. Seventh one, given f1 is equal to 1, f2 is equal to 3, and fn is equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, then f3 is equal to, that is the fourth one, that is 11 is the correct answer. Then the eighth one is the first term of an arithmetic progression is a unity and the common difference is 4, which means the following will be an AP in கேக்குறாங்கன்னா அது C யோட answer, that is 7881 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next one. If 6 times of 6th term of an AP is equal to 7 times the 7th term, then the 13th term of an AP is அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா A option is the correct answer. If AP consists of 31 terms, if its 16th term is m, then the sum of all terms of an AP is, that is C, 31 m meter. In an AP, the first term is 1 and the common difference is 4. How many terms of AP must be taken for their sum to be equal to 120? அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது it is 8. If A is equal to 2 to the power of 65 and B is equal to 2 to the power of 64 plus 2 to the power of 63, 2 to the power of 62 plus up to 2 to the power of 0, which of the following is true? That is A is larger than B by 1. A is larger than B by 1. The next term of sequence is 3 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 18 is 1 by 27. In the sequence T1, T2, T3 are in AP, then the sequence T6, T12 and T18 is an arithmetic progression. Then the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 15 cube minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15 is, the answer is 14 to 80. Let's go to the next one. Algebra. I like to inform you that all updates are there in the my description link, so you can go through all the link and get benefit of that, like social public study plan, the entire thing video is there. இன்னொன்று சோஷியலில் நீங்கள் அந்த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கிறத நீங்கள் படித்தாலே போதும் உங்களுக்கு பப்ளிக்கு. ஸோ வேறு எதுவும் படிக்க வேணாம், எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் கவர்டு. ஸோ யூ ப்ளீஸ் மேக் நோட் ஆஃப் தட் அண்ட் தென் ரீட் அக்கார்டிங்லி மை dear children. And as well as social science and science is also there in that one. You can get that one and use that benefit of that. Let us go to the third chapter. A system of three linear equation in three variables is inconsistent if their planes are coincides with each other. Solution of the system x plus y minus 3x is equal to minus 6, minus 7y plus 7z equal to 7, 3z is equal to 9 is, what is the answer is? The answer is x is equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 3. If x minus 6 is the HCF of x square minus 2x minus 24 and x square minus kx minus 6, then the value of k is 5. The value of k is 5. 3y minus 3 by y divided by 7y minus 7 by 3y square is, it is 9y cube by 21y minus 21. Y square plus 1 by y square is not equal to y minus 1 by y to the whole square plus 2. Sixth one, x minus x square minus 25 minus 8 by x square plus 6x plus 5 means the value is this one, x square minus 7x plus x by x minus 5 x plus 5. Then seventh one, the square root of 225 256 x power 8 y power 4 z power 10 by 25 x power x 6 by y power 6 z power x is the b1. Which of the following should be added to make x power 464 a perfect square? அப்படின்றாங்க. First one 4x square தான் வந்து perfect square க்கு double பண்ண முடியும். Ninth one, the solution of 2x minus 1 to the whole square is equal to 9, which is equal to 2. Then the value of a and b is 4 power x power 4 minus 24 x power 3 plus 76 x square plus ax plus b is a perfect square, which means the value is minus 120 comma 100. If the roots of the equation q square x square plus p square x plus r square is equal to 0, or the square of the roots of the equation q square x square plus px plus r equal to 0, then q p r are in AP. And graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line. Goes to the 13th one. The number of points of intersection of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4 with the x-axis is 13th one is 0 or 1. Next one, for a given matrix A is equal to 1 3 5 7 2 4 6 8 and 9 11 13 15, the out of the matrix A transpose is 3 cross 2. Then if A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is 3 cross 4 matrix, how many columns does AB have? So AB வந்து எத்தனை காலம் இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. 2 by 3 வந்து ஏன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, 3 by 4 வந்து மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்குன்றாங்க. ஸோ 2 by 3னா this answer is not at there. So let me check. If a number of columns and rows are not equal in a matrix, then it is said to be a identity matrix. Then transpose of column matrix is unit matrix. Then goes to the next one. And for 15 is the answer is 4. And goes to next one. Find the matrix X if a 2x plus 1 3 5 7 is equal to 5 7 9 5. That is 18th one is C option 1 2. That is third one. So the following can be calculated from the given matrices, which means what is your answer is the first one, that is 1 and 2 only. Then if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, B is equal to 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 2, C is equal to 0, 1, minus 2, 5 means your answer is the C option. Then goes to the next one, geometry. If in triangles ABC and EDF is equal to AB by DE is equal to BC by FD. So which means you will be get similar when எப்போன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா your answer is put together is the one which is required is angle B is equal to angle E, angle A is equal to angle B, B is equal to angle D, and A is equal to angle F. The first answer will be is angle B is equal to angle D. Next one, angle LM and L is 60 degree, M is 50 degree, and what is your answer is angle 70 degree. It is 70 degree. So if A triangle BABC is an isosceles means your answer is 10 centimeter. Then fourth one is 25 is to 4 centimeter. The perimeter of two similar triangle னு வரும்போது வந்த question வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து 15 centimeter. Then if in triangle ABC அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வர்றது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the first one is 1.4 centimeter. The next one, so seventh one பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க length of side of AC ன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So seventh one is 4 centimeter. Then adjacent figure 8th அப்படி வரும்போது BD into CD is equal to AD square. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து 13 m. In the given figure PR is equal to 26 அப்படின்னு வரும்போது 90 degree. 11th tangent is a perpendicular அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது அதோட வேல்யூ வந்து point of contact. And how many tangents can be drawn to the circle அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது the answer is 2 can be drawn. And 13th one is 110. 70 இருக்குன்னா அதில் மீதி வந்து 110. 14th வந்து D option, that is 4 centimeter. Then 15th is the POQ வந்து 120 degree Celsius degree. Go to the next one, coordinate geometry. I once again repeat that social science description, social science study plan and science study plan are all in description. Those who want to study social science and science, you can very well go through that based on the plan. That will be very useful for you to get a very good marks, my dear children. Let us go to the choose now for fifth lesson. This is first one வந்து உங்களுக்கு 5 units in கிடைக்கும். And next one is second one is x is equal to 0. Then the third one will be parallel to x axis. Then fourth one is D, that is 12. Then fifth one, the point of intersection, அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அதுவும் D தான். The next one, sixth, the slope, that is C option. Next, the slope of line which is perpendicular to the line joining the points அப்படின்னு வந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து -1. Next one, eighth பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு -√3. Then ninth one, 8x plus 5y equal to 40. Then 10th one, 7x minus 3y equal to 0. Then consider the four straight lines. And the 11th வரும்போது அதோட ஆப்ஷன் வந்து C சொல்றாங்க. L2 and L4 are perpendicular. Then 12th one, the slope is 5 and intercept is 1.6. Then goes to when proving that a quadrilateral is a trapezium, it is necessary to show. So it is necessary to show that all sides are of equal length. Then 14th one is C. All the length of all sides. Then 15th is 3x plus y and minus 3 and x plus y equal to 7. Let us go to the next one, that is trigonometry. So in the trigonometry, the value of sine square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to that b1, that is 1. Next one, second one is cot theta, and then third one is 27, fourth one is 2a, fifth one is b, that is 1 by 25, sixth one is 3 by 2, and seventh one is y square by b square minus x square by a square, and eighth is 2 is the answer. Then let us go to the next one. The ninth one is b option, b square minus a square. Then 10th one is d, 60 degree. Then 11th one is b, that is b by 3. 12th one is also b, 43.92 meter. 13th one is 30 comma root 3. 14 is x by 2 root 2, and 15 is tan b, that is h plus tan beta by 1 minus tan beta. Next one, mensuration chapter. That one, what is your answer? It is there as first one is d, that is 136 pi centimeter. Then next one, if two solid spheres are in same base, அதெல்லாம் வந்ததுன்னா so that answer வந்து உங்களுக்கு 3 pi r square. Then third is 12 centimeter. Then fourth one is 1:6. Fifth one is 8 pi h square. Then sixth one is 56 pi. Then seventh one is made 18 times. Then eighth one is 4 pi. Then goes to ninth one. So ninth one is x centimeter, and 10th one is 322 cube, and 11th one is c, and 12th one is 1:4, and 13th one is 20 by 3, and 14 is 2:1, and 15 is 2:1:3. Let us go to the next one, probability. In that probability, we have around 15 questions are there, so we will see that one also and we'll get a benefit of that. So let us see that one. The first one is which are the following are the measures of dispersion means arithmetic mean. The second one is 1. Then the third one is always negative. Then fourth one is C. Then fifth one is B. Then sixth is D. Then seventh is B. Eighth is A. Then ninth is B. 10th is also B, that is 2p by p plus q plus r, and 11th is D. 12th is A, and 13 is D. 14 is B. It's C. All data are there in the description link. You please go through that link and get benefit of this. So with this, I hope and I wish you all success for the examinations that we are going to do. So please subscribe to Trigonometry Maths YouTube channel and forward your friends also about this channel. Thank you so much. Bye, my dear children.